father purchased for us. My father purchased same things for us.
Hi, good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Hi, how are you, sir?
I am fine. How are you?
Yeah,
Shubho
fine.
Vijaya to you.
Yes, sir. Shubho Vijaya, sir. Sir, how did you enjoy your puja, sir?
I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, so sir, sorry, sir.
I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, that's really good. And even that was I also, sir.
Okay.
And in your area, sir, that Pratima immersion is done.
So tomorrow there is a carnival. Every year there is a carnival that happens that happens. So tomorrow is the carnival. Only tomorrow the Pratima Visarjan will be complete, I think. Tomorrow
Oh.
is Thursday. Today is Thursday, right? Yeah,
Yes.
tomorrow. It will be complete tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes.
So finally,
Tomorrow is Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow, Friday.
yes. So today, because it is Thursday, a lot of pujas will not,
Because,
do the immersion, but they will wait till Friday. So that is why tomorrow there will be the carnival, and then there will be the immersion, the final immersions.
Okay. Yeah.
So, did you go to see a lot of pujas?
Yes, sir. Yes, I visited a lots of pendel, and I really enjoyed a lot, because you know that Ma Durga comes to our earth once in a year for 3 days. So we should welcome her, and we enjoyed a lot. To forget our sorrow, everything. We should spend our puja with enthusiasm.
Actually, that's not true. Ma Durga comes twice a year.
Yeah, that is Chaitra Mas, yeah, Bashanti Puja.
Yes, there is another Durga Puja which takes place, I think, around February or March somewhere.
April, March to April.
March to April, yes. March to April, correct. Yeah, March to April. So
Yeah, but actually no, that we celebrate especially Durga Puja.
yes,
Not Bashanti
yes,
Puja.
not Bashanti Puja. Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Your topic for today is childhood.
Okay, yes. So, sir, before starting my topic, I have a
Sure, sure.
question. Okay, sir, what is the difference between get out and take out? So I'm giving you one example, sir. Suppose take out the books from the bag, okay, and get out. That means when we say someone that get out my house. So that meaning is that both meaning is similar. No, buy koda ba buy hoja. So if I talk about like a time, so like that, no. Suppose if I say that you are very busy, but despite being busy, you take out your time. So is this sentence correct, sir? Take out.
Yes, that's correct. Can you take out some time for me?
Okay, yeah, yeah. I was little bit confused. Actually, sir, when I have any query, so that's that time I book my session with you, because sometimes it's difficult for me to make someone understand in my own language. So
Right,
that's the reason I can communicate with you very easily.
right.
So that's the
It's the
reason
same as সময় বের করা.
yeah, সময় বের করা. So that's the reason. And then, sir, feed, and another question is feed and serve. Feed is generally when we feed our child, that is called feed. And then serve means, like, suppose I serve my dinner, I serve lunch to my family member.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah,
So
because
feed is anything that when you are doing the act of খাইয়ে দেওয়াটা, when you are doing that, that is feeding.
feeding. Yes.
Whereas খাবার খাবার দেওয়া হচ্ছে
That is
serve.
serve. Okay. Yeah, last sessions I did my last session with Divyang sir. So there sir asked me one question. So I told him that no, when I feed them, so sir told me no, this is wrong. We can't use. We should use serve instead of using feed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
But
that's why
feed is also like, okay, again, say for example, in say for example in the temple of Puri,
Mhm.
Jagannath temple at Puri,
Mhm.
they serve a lot of food every day for free.
Yeah.
When we are talking about that, we usually use feed. So the
Feed
Jagannath temple feed thousands of people every
poor
day.
people, poor
Yes.
people like that. Yeah.
Even for that matter, a Gurdwara, the langar at a Gurdwara,
Devghar.
they also feed a lot of people. That is
Yeah.
another use.
I got it.
Any other questions?
No, sir, I don't have any questions, sir. You
I
think
mean, it's
like that.
okay.
Why?
I don't mind.
Why
I
do you
don't mind answering you the questions.
because I don't have any other option, so that's why, sir, I have to do. I am, I'm what would you say? I'm bound to do it because sometimes I am like unable to express my thought in front of them. So that's the
Mhm.
reason I booked my session with you.
Right. Okay. Yes, I can always explain it to you in Bengali.
Yeah, that's the reason, sir. Like, no, in my first session, you explained me very well when that sophisticated person and sophisticated case. Then next session, you also gave me some tips, and that so that's the reason I booked my session with you, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
No, sir, I should thank you to you because you helped me a lot when I face any kind of difficulty.
Okay.
Sir, and I
Uh,
have one question, sir. Like, no, when I did my session with you, that but you approved my like, no, I give my link also because I run my own YouTube channel.
mhm.
So you little bit you approve it a little bit late. So if you do it a little bit early, it will be helpful for me, sir. It will be.
Okay.
I know
Uh,
you are a busy person. Please don't mind, sir.
I did not understand. Approve as in?
Approve means like I run my own YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So there I approve that those teacher like no who allow there that no we can upload our video in
Uh-huh.
YouTube.
Uh-huh.
So that's the reason like no so we there we click our link there. So and when teacher approve it, so that time we can upload it.
Okay. Have you sent any request like that somewhere? Because I did not see it in my dashboard or something like that.
No, no, not like that. I those teacher who approve.
Uh-huh.
I will send that like approve link there. I request that that send that link and my channel link, and after that those teacher who allow to upload our conversation in YouTube,
Mhm.
so they
Mhm.
approve it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can go ahead and send me the link. I will definitely approve it. No problem.
Yeah. Even that I already uploaded like so many session in my channel also.
Uh-huh. And
And
how is your channel going?
my channel is going really good nowadays. I because like 1.5 month ago I started my journey, YouTube journey, but
Uh-huh.
now I can completed my I completed my 100 subscribers also, and people
Okay.
are giving me feedback and they have supported me because when
Mm-hmm.
they support me I get motivate from them also. So and I've
Okay.
always try to connect, then I've always try to make a session according to their wish because it will helpful for them and as well as it will helpful for me also. So that's the reason
It
and
will
I'm happy
be,
with
yeah, it will be helpful for them. You missed out on the B.
B. Yeah, it
It
will
will
helpful.
be helpful for them as well as helpful for me.
Yeah, because some of the people now, no, sir, they are very eager, they learn this language, but they don't get that much opportunity. So if
Mm-hmm.
I make a conversation this kind of, so we know that listening is a very important role to, listening play a very vital role to enhance our fluency level. So when we
Yes.
upload and when someone listen our conversation, so they get benefit, because some of the people, those people who belongs to poor family, they can't afford, they can't take
Mm-hmm.
any kind of course and any kind of platform to join to enhance their fluency. So if they follow, then definitely they get benefit from us.
Right, right. Very true. That's very true. Okay. So, what is the name of your channel?
English with RAC.
Okay.
RAC. You will
Okay.
search it,
English with
sir.
RS. I will definitely check it out.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay. All right. So, do you want to talk on the topic, or although we are almost, we've almost
Running
finished the
out
time for today.
time. Maybe
Yes.
3 minutes left. Okay, so I will try to elaborate some my about my childhood.
Right.
Okay. So my childhood, actually, my childhood was quite interesting, but as well as my childhood was miserable, because the reason I was very young that time when I lost my mom. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
that time I was 6 years old.
Okay.
So it was very pathetic case. It was very miserable case for me. And we were we were five siblings, including me. I am third one of them. So and then we know that like in which family I grew up, that is joint family. My uncle, auntie, my fathers, everybody, they look after us. But what happened, somehow actually we miss our mom, because you know that, sir, like you have like your daughters and everyone in your house, that like the way you can express your thought in front of your mother, even that
Mm-hmm.
sometimes no need to explain your thought if you are smiling. But if that smiling, which smile, if you are not smiling from your inside, your mom can understand, your mom can catch
Correct.
it easily. So this kind of thing I really miss it. But if I talk about my bonding with my sister, that is that my bonding with my sister, it was really good, because we were when we were kid, like my younger sister is my younger sister is and my there is not too much, like no, there is not huge difference between us. So whenever my father purchased for us, my father purchased same things for us, even our dress, everything, even that our nose pin also, sir. So and
Okay.
yeah, so and that even if my father, like no, by mistake my father don't purchase the same thing, then we wish to squabble over the thing. No, my father purchase it for me. Why are you taking it? Why are you taking it from me? So this kind of things we used to squabble over small things. But nowadays we have grown up, so we can understand, and we have really strong bonding, sir.
All right. Okay. That's nice. That's really nice. Uh, what were some of the things that you enjoyed when you were growing up, enjoyed doing?
Okay, which is the thing that I enjoyed. Like I when I was my father really my father pampered me a lot. Not only
Mm-hmm.
me, all the siblings, because I have noticed one thing, that in terms of some parents, they think their daughter as a burden. But
Mm-hmm.
if I talk about my parents, my father, then my father never think like that, that no, my daughter is my daughters are my first priority. And then like no, that some parents, they don't send their child to school, and that you have to do your household chores like that. But my father never create pressure like that, created
Okay.
pressure like that. Yeah, so these kind of things I really enjoyed a lot, because when I get this kind of pamper, when I received like no love from my father. So I really, when I see someone, then I when I saw that, when I see someone that no someone's parents, they, some of the parents, even that we are living, we are living, so what would I say, that in 2023 is a 21st
Mhm.
century era. So, but
21st century, yes.
some parents, they still, they say, think like their daughter as a burden. So but in my time, in my case, my I didn't face this kind of problem. Even that, like, I lost my mom, it is very true, and no one can be completed mm, her fulfillment in my life. But that my father always try to help us, always support us, they do whatever you want to do, give you
Mm.
dreams to wing, give you dreams, wings to fly.
If you don't mind my asking, what happened to her?
Actually, she was suffering from cancer.
I see. Okay. So
That's the reason, sir.
that took her away. I see. Okay. Really sorry to hear that.
No, no, sir.
Okay.
So, sir,
I guess. Huh.
what? Yeah, almost. Sir. So, what kind of feedback you would you like to give me, sir?
The feedback I have is, look, I like the fact that you are using some really nice words. You use squabble when you were speaking, so that's a very good thing. This is the kind of thing that I look for. Uh, so I'm really happy that you found out the meaning of the word and then used it in the correct context.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Apart from that, your sentences are correct. More or less, overall, they are correct. There are certain, again, like the one that I just pointed out, B, it will
Yeah,
be helpful for
be
them.
helpful. Yes.
These are some of the small points that you are still missing here and there. But that's okay. That's okay. You're still in the learning phase. You will get there. With the kind of effort that you're putting in, you will definitely get there. You will become a very, very fluent person.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I'm sure you will get there.
Thank you, really. I have an economic dream. I want to become a fluent speaker. Really, I don't know when it happened.
It might take some time. It might take you 6 months.